Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change voice in Snapchat video. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat, and from here you need to click on this icon. Scroll here and you simply need to open filter section, and from here you need to search for voice changer. So let me select this one. So now I am recording all this to record. So now I am recording my voice to check. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.